Good boy. Clever boy. On the towel, not on the carpet. Good boy.
Good.
Send that to Karen.
Right.
Come on here, come here, I'll dry your face. You've done nothing to yourself. Come here, Power. Good boy. Here, Santi. Good boy, yeah. You are. You're a clever boy. Yeah. Come here. Sit down.